Hello friends, Kenta. In this opportunity, we will discuss some popular photo editing applications on Android. For those of you who love editing photos, you must be familiar with these applications. So, let's take a look at some of the best photo editing applications that can help us produce amazing photos. VSCO. VSCO is a highly popular photo editing application among Android users. The app enables users to edit their photos quickly and easily. VSCO offers various powerful editing tools, including cropping, adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and much more. The app also comes with a wide range of filters and effects that can be used to enhance the appearance of photos. Additionally, VSCO supports batch editing, allowing users to edit multiple photos at once. Overall, VSCO is a user-friendly photo editing application with comprehensive features. Photo Editor. Photo Editor is an application specifically designed for editing photos on Android devices. The app provides various editing features such as photo retouching, object removal, color effects, image cropping, and much more. One interesting feature of Photo Editor is its ability to draw on photos, allowing users to add creative elements to their images. The app also has a simple and user-friendly interface, making it suitable for users of all skill levels in photo editing. VSCO. VSCO is a popular and feature-rich photo editing app among Android users. The app offers a comprehensive set of photo editing tools, including exposure adjustments, brightness, contrast, color enhancements, and tonal refinements. VSCO also comes with over 200 filters that can be used to apply special effects to photos. Additionally, the app offers an active online community where users can share their photos, follow other users, and gain inspiration from the VSCO community. VSCO also supports RAW file formats, allowing users to edit high-quality photos with better detail. Thus, VSCO is highly recommended for those who want to create beautiful and professional-looking photos. Those are some of the best photo editing applications for Android. From the easy-to-use VSCO, the feature-rich photo editor, to VSCO that suits you. Hopefully, this information is useful, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, happy experimenting, and see you in the next video.